How to add a logo slider to Wix. So in order to add a logo slider for your Wix website, what you can do is you can just attach them onto this particular section. So onto the section that where you want to attach it, just click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Head over to embed in social and then go to the embed code. Let's add in here this. So just attach it right here. Don't worry because we will still resize that later on. So once the code has been attached, let's leave it as it is for now. Head over to your outside and then sign up for an account. And then once you're there, just search in here for a widget. Let's search in here for logo slider. So let's search, and if you can find it, you can also use this logo showcase. For this particular logo showcase, they have a slider option. We have an infinite carousel that you can choose from as well. Now, if you just want a default slider where user will need to click onto the slider menus just like these arrows, you can also just choose in here this one. Click on to discontinue with this template. Now you have the option right here to add some logos. Click onto this add logos right here and then just drag and drop files right here in order to start uploading. So I have added right here all the logos. You can just edit right here the layout as well as the style for that. We have in here the font, custom CSS, header style, and the likes. If you want to change the header format right here, you can change the title as well as add some captions if you want. Once you're done, click on this publish option. And then from in there, it will actually show in here the changes were published. Close in here this, and then in here, just click onto this install option and copy the code given. From in there, head over to your site, and then we have in here the iframe or code that we have added earlier. So make sure to click onto this enter code, and then paste in here the HTTPS code that we have copied from outside. Click on update, and as you can see, it will reflect that right there. So it may take some time to load as well. You have the option to resize it however you want. So that's how you add the logo slider to Wix. Hope we helped.